How to add story highlights on Facebook. So if you see this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go. Let's open up our Facebook. And in our Facebook, you must go to our profile. So in order to do that, you must click the three lines above in the right corner. So let's go. And then you can see your account here. Tap into your account. And you can see three dots here. That is beside edit profile and not beside the music. So tap on that. And on here, you must type in or tap on archives. Go to story archives. And then choose a story that you want to add to your highlights. So I will be choosing this one. So you must, as you can see, there is a feature highlight right there on the bottom right. You must tap on that. And in here, you can change the title of the highlight. And then just type your title. And then you can add more by clicking on the add more button. So from your camera roll, you can see it here. Alright, so if you have chosen, just click on next. And then if you want to publish it, just click on save.